Donald Trump said on Monday that the United States had hit an area in Venezuela where boats are loaded with drugs. The move marks the first noontime Washington has carried out land operations in Venezuela since a pressure campaign against the president of Venezuela. It was not immediately clear what target was hit nor which part of the US government acted. Meanwhile, Pentagon has carried out yet another deadly strike, and this has taken place in the Pacific. The US Southern Command described the latest victims of the strikes as two male narco-terrorists. The ex-post stated that the vessel was engaged in narco-trafficking operation. My colleague Vishal joining us to get us more on this. Vishal, take us to the latest.
So what we do know so far is that this is the first time US President Donald Trump acknowledging the fact that the US indeed did strike a land target in Venezuela in its pressure campaign, what the US government calls it as a counter narcotics campaign, but really an escalation in the tensions between US and Venezuela that we have been seeing over the past couple of months. Now moving on from targeting smaller ships that they say are being used to spread narcotics and transport narcotics. Now this time a drug facility and a port that was being used by these boats to transport narcotics. This is what has been targeted. Now, which departments were involved in this strike is yet to be determined. But what the details that we know so far is that this strike was done yesterday, and it was basically, the target was essentially a storage area where drugs were stored and then moved on to boats and then transported. So what the US government says is that this is part of their counter narcotics campaign, but what this could mean for the tensions between the US and Venezuela is yet to be seen, because Trump has indicated that he is not backing away from any sort of direct conflict with Venezuela either.
Vishal, thank you so much for getting us the very latest.